If you've been looking for the perfect crochet hair, then stop scrolling. So ISEE Hair sent me this beautiful 20-inch Burmese crochet hair, which we are going to be installing right in this video. It's a detailed video. I'm going to show you all the process and how we got this beauty right here. So the hair came in this beautiful pink box containing a headband and their social media handles and the instruction manual, which also contained the display of other available products on their website. It came in 4 packs of 20-inch, and out of the box, this is what the hair looks like. It's so beautiful and the shine is natural. It doesn't look or feel synthetic. I'm going to show you how I achieved this high-end voluminous look. So if you want to see how we went from braid down to body, keep watching. And if you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join this community so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be instantly notified. So this is what the hair looks like straight out of the pack. The luster is 10 on 10. I'm using 4 pack because I love a full dramatic look, but honestly this hair has so much body that you could probably get away with 3 packs if you like a more natural density. Notice the coil pattern. It's tight but bouncy, and because it's 100% human hair, the movement is so fluid. No plastic shine here, just pure luxury. This hair is so lightweight. It feels so natural even when it touches your skin. So this is me demonstrating to my kid sister how to install the hair. I'm just showing her so that we will do the install together to make it faster. So for each braid I crocheted 3 hair, and at the end the hair was full and we had extra hair that we still went in to crochet it, and everything is right here. You're going to see how we did it. So she is installing from behind while I'm installing in front, and from behind when installing we made sure we didn't go right down to the tip of the braid to install, because we don't want some parts being too long than others. If you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit that subscribe button so that each time I upload a new video, YouTube will instantly notify you so that you can come watch. And I have other variants of this miracle knot twist that I have installed on my head on my channel, so you can also go watch and learn. And if you have any question, just leave it down in the comment section, and I'm going to respond. I'll leave all the direct links in the description box below so you can grab this exact pack if you love the result. Make sure you watch the video right to the end so that you see the various styles that we did pack this hair into, and let me know which hairstyle is your favorite. So at this point we are done installing 3 crochet hair on one braid, and we have almost a pack left, and the hair is looking already so beautiful and full like this. But I'm still going to go in and add the remaining hair on the front braids. That's all the braids in front. We are going to add in more hair, and at the center part we are also going to add in more hair just to make the hair really full. But 3-pack gets this job done like beautifully, and voila, this is the hair right after installing when it's dry, and this is it after spraying water and applying some mousse to it. So do you see how beautiful this hair look? Okay guys, so if you did like this, give me a thumbs up, and if you are not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you'll be officially notified whenever I upload a new video. You see how beautiful that hair looks like when water and mousse is applied to it. But even still dry like this, it still looks good. Like if you want to carry the hair and you want it to have that volume, you just have to carry it dry. I love how the coils bounce back. See, I was just feeling myself at this point with this hair because it did came out very well. So for extra shine, we go in with the shine spray and style into the various beautiful styles. This hairstyle is giving, I'm 12 years old. This one is giving Gen Z body, and this African queen. This one is giving baby doodaloo and rich auntie vibes. This is giving no stress, and this Gen Z, this princess queen. See you in my next one. Bye.